Introduction. When it comes to aircraft maintenance, regular inspections are critical to ensure safety, reliability, and performance. These inspections are categorized into four main types: A A check, B check, C check, and D check. Each type varies in depth, frequency, and the amount of time and resources required. Understanding these inspection levels helps us see how aircraft are kept airworthy through routine and detailed maintenance schedules. Quick overview. Aircraft inspections are divided into four main types: A, B, C, and D checks. These range from light frequent checks to deep time-consuming overhauls. A and B checks are routine and done more often, while C and D checks are more extensive, requiring the aircraft to be taken out of service for detailed inspection and maintenance. Together, these checks ensure the aircraft remains safe, reliable, and airworthy throughout its lifespan.
An A-check is a light maintenance check performed at regular intervals, typically every 400 to 600 flight hours, or every 200 to 300 cycles, depend on aircraft type and airline policy. The scope of an A-check task. The A-check is usually done overnight at an airport gate or hangar and typically takes to 6 to 24 hours. Common A-check items include visual inspection of fuselage, wings, and tail, functional test, lubricantation, fluid levels check, tire pressure check, cabin and emergency equipment check, replacement of filter check, inspection of lights and electrician system, minor structural check.
A B check is an aircraft maintenance inspection that occurs approximately every 6 to 8 months and is more thorough than an A check. It involves detailed system functionality checks, landing gear inspections, and lubrication of key components. Many modern airlines no longer perform separate B checks, instead incorporating their tasks into a series of A checks to reduce aircraft downtime.
C-check is a comprehensive maintenance inspection for aircraft, conducted every 18 to 24 months or after a specific number of flight hours or cycles. This involves detailed examinations and maintenance of various aircraft systems including airframe, engines, landing gear, avionics, cabin interior, and flight controls. The importance of C-check is essential for ensuring aircraft airworthiness by identifying and addressing potential issues before they escalate to major problems.
The D check. This is also known as a C4 or C8 check depending on the type of aircraft. This check is performed every 6 years and the entire aircraft is basically dismantled and put back together. Everything in the cabin is taken out like the seats, toilet, galleys, and overhead bins. So engineers can inspect the metal skin of the aircraft inside and out. The engines are taken off. The landing gear is removed and overhauled with the aircraft supported on a massive jack. All the aircraft systems are taken apart, checked, repaired, or replaced and reinstalled. Each D-check costs several millions of dollars and taken about 6 weeks, but it's almost like a brand new plane by the end of it. What is overhauled during D-check? Usually, the components that are overhauled are airframe, engines, avionics, landing gear, and structural components.